Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing how I train because I have a competition, and let's see my schedule. This is competition day, July 13th. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 days to go until my competition. So let's go into my first solve. Usually my first solve is my warm-up solve, and I get a bad time on it, but this is the time that I have gotten right now. It's a 26.656. So anyways, I have to scramble the, well, anyways, let's go on to our next solve. I usually just scramble the cube on my own without looking. So as you see, close my eyes, scramble. And to make it more appealing, I'm using this. Yep. Okay, I haven't seen the cube yet, so let's just show what it looks like. Ooh, that's actually a pretty lucky scramble there. Ooh, I've never seen that before. Then I slowly start to get better times overall. As you see, I have a schedule, and I will be recording all the videos at my competition, so stay tuned. By the way, I just released 2 new videos, so not looking. Okay, yep. Okay, pretty nice. Oh no. I just keep getting worse and worse. I usually get better now. Well, let's keep doing. I'm gonna do only 2 more solves, guys, because then this is gonna be a long time because I usually practice on hours. So, ready? Okay. Finally. Sorry for the camera adjustment. A sub 20. Anyways, we're getting our last solve, so. Okay. Yep. wow, that was a 633 plus 2. But at least it's sub 10. Let me just show you. Again, camera adjustments. Plus 2, 633. By the way, I'm using the GAN 13 Mag Glove. UV coated. Buy it at the Cubicle. You can see the link on my banner. So, anyways, that's pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace!